Hey everyone, what's up? Thank you for joining me today, and I will show you how I painted this portrait of Monica Bellucci. Well, she is an Italian actress and model, and she began her career as a fashion model. She is perhaps best known to the American audiences for her role in the movie series of The Matrix, and I really loved her role in the movie Malena. This was an Italian romantic drama movie which was released in the year 2000. And while you will be seeing this portrait coming to life, I want to share a few thoughts with you all. Something I have been dealing with for the past few days. But before that, let me quickly introduce you with all the materials I am using for this portrait painting. I am doing this painting with oils. This is an oil painting, and I am working on 160 GSM paper, which is gessoed one, and I have toned down the surface with acrylic burnt sienna. I have actually mixed the acrylic burnt sienna with white gesso, then applied it. And after that, using a grid method, I have drawn the image of the portrait. And after having done with drawing the portrait, gradually I started applying the colors. I approached in a different way for this portrait. Generally, you have seen me painting those eyes first, and gradually I move on to the other parts of the painting. But I have started with the hair, and with bold brush strokes I will be doing this painting. If you keep watching the process of the painting to clearly understand what colors I have been using for this painting. I have used a burnt sienna, burnt umber, crimson lake, Prussian blue, titanium white, and scarlet red for this painting. And generally you have to build up the basic layer, the first layer, with burnt umber and crimson lake. Please don't apply black if you're not comfortable with, or if you're not very confident about black. This may ruin your painting. And I will apply black in the second layer. You can see when I will be applying the black, that will give a different dimension to the painting. So let's get back to our today's topic. For the past few days, it was becoming very difficult for me to make time for painting. If you are a regular visitor, you will know that I am uploading almost after 4 weeks. So what was the reason that was pulling me back? Well, there are almost 80% of people, those who are not satisfied with their current job. Many are there who are getting well paid at their job, but they find no interest in what they do. There are many who are just following their passion but not getting well paid. So, what do you think? Is it fair to quit your job just for the sake of your passion? Or is it okay if you sacrifice your passion for your job? Quitting your job is not any option. What if you quit your job and your passion stuff doesn't work well? Then who is going to pay your bills? Your passion? I know there are many who slug it out and have better paid jobs, own nicer homes and cars, own a better life. Really? Are they living a better life? Well, a life without a passion is just a body without a soul. Never neglect your passion and be a wreck at work. If you see, on an average, if a person is working for 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, then he is spending 40 hours a week. And if we assume 2 weeks of holidays each year, then he will be spending 2000 hours a year. And if we look further, if the same person works for an average of 45 years, then he will be spending 90,000 hours, which equals to 10 years of his life. Now, if the person doesn't like the work he do, he will be spending his life in misery. So, is there any better way to deal with this? The only key to this is to maintain a balance between your profession and passion. If not all of it, identify some parts of your current job that makes you feel happy. This will make your 40 hours a week a little less painful. On the other hand, try to make time for your passion. Let's say maybe an hour or two each day. Don't rush at following your passion. Treat your passion like your baby and give it enough time to grow and flourish. And at the end, this is the only thing that is going to stay with you and become your identity. Love and respect what you do, and at the same time, do what you love the most. So, guys, this is the final look of my painting. Please let me know in the comment section below how much you like this painting time lapse and today's topic. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon for more motivational painting videos. Guys, have a great day and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye bye.